Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola One Action, and let me show you how to add and then remove a Google account from this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings. Here, let's scroll down and find accounts. And as you can see here, we've got no accounts added. In order to add new ones, simply tap on Add Account. Now let's choose Google. Make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, and click on Next. Now we have to enter our password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, and let's tap on Next. Here we've got some Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. If you want to read it, simply tap on it, choose the one you want to read, and here we've got all the info. Let's click on I agree. Here we've got some backup and storage info, so let's click on Accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added a Google account to this device. In order to remove it, simply tap on it and click on Remove Account. Click on Remove Account. And that's all, it simply disappears. So this is it. This is how to add and remove a Google account from your Motorola One Action. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.